In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP Laser 108A printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, please proceed to the search bar and type for HP Laser 108A printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and then that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first link, click on that one under support.hp.com, which is the official website for HP support or HP printer. And here you'll be able to see a new page where you will get to see that printer driver. Now from here, it will detect operating system. However, if Windows 11 is not being detected, go and choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key, and select for Windows 11. Click on the update once you've set it, and then you need to scroll down here so that you can select your software and drivers. So by that, you would be able to see driver product installation software. You can see this recommended software and drivers. Click on this download option aligning to it. Now in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, you need to copy and move that here to the desktop. So once you have moved it here to the desktop, you need to make a right click, okay, and use your WinRAR tool to extract this one, or either double tap to unzip or extract the file, okay. So wait until you get that option called WinRAR where we can extract this file. Once it's here, go with extract to, and kindly wait until you'll get to create a new file folder here at the desktop. Okay, so once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you will be updated for our next tutorials. Okay, so here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you will be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of it, and there you can see an option called Bluetooth and devices next to system in my case. So all you need to do is you need to click on that one and wait until you will be navigated to that particular section, which is the Bluetooth and devices. Once it's here, directly proceed to the printers and scanners, and here you'll be able to see add device. Click on this one, and kindly wait until you'll get to see an option where you can manually add the printer driver. Once it's here, please click on add manually. And here we go. We just have to go with add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So go with the next button once you've set it. Go with have disk and click on the browse here. And then you need to proceed to the desktop. Okay, since our extracted file has been placed there. And wait until you get this extracted file, double tap, and there you can see this one. Click on the open and click on the OK. So if this error occurs, just have to go with the browse again. Just have to printer, double tap, and eventually you'll be able to see this one. Select on the open and click on the OK button, and there you have it. So go with the next button here and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP Laser 108A. Then once done, click on the next button and kindly wait until the installation would be finished. Once you're done, please click on the next button here and click on the finished, and there you have that. You would be able to install successfully the HP Laser 108A printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.